Hai dan selamat sejahtera, saya Anusriana Perempuan Tanasami. Dalam video ini saya akan berkongsi perbandingan antara dua budaya, budaya India di Malaysia iaitu budaya saya sendiri dan budaya masyarakat Filipina yang saya minati dan pernah berinteraksi dengannya. Video ini akan melihat 3 aspek penting dalam budaya iaitu nilai budaya, bahasa dan agama untuk menunjukkan bagaimana perbezaan boleh membawa kepada kefahaman dan penghormatan antara masyarakat. Dalam budaya India di Malaysia, keluarga sangat penting dan keputusan keluarga sering dibuat secara bersama. Hormat kepada orang tua, patuh kepada tradisi dan penekan kepada pendidikan sangat dititik beratkan. Dalam budaya Filipina pula, keluarga juga sangat erat. Mereka sangat mesra, ceria dan menghargai masa berkualiti bersama keluarga. Walaupun lebih bebas dalam membuat keputusan peribadi, hubungan kekeluargaan masih menjadi teras hidup mereka. Di Malaysia, masyarakat India biasanya menggunakan bahasa Tamil di rumah, manakala bahasa Melayu dan bahasa Inggeris digunakan di sekolah dan tempat kerja. Nada pertuturan Tamil kadang-kala kedengaran tegas tetapi ia sebenarnya biasa dalam komunikasi harian. Di Filipina, bahasa utama ialah Filipino berasaskan Tagalog dan bahasa Inggeris digunakan dengan meluas. Gaya komunikasi mereka lebih terbuka dan ekspresif dan mereka tidak segan untuk menyatakan perasaan secara terus terang. Masyarakat di India di Malaysia kebanyakan beragama Hindu. Antara amalan penting ialah menyambut Deepawali, menyambut perayaan Pongal, menghadiri upacara keagamaan di kuil serta melakukan sembahyang harian di rumah. Di Filipina, majoriti masyarakat beragama Kristian Katolik. Christmas adalah perayaan terbesar disambut dengan majlis keluarga, lagu-lagu rohani dan menghadiri misa malam di gereja. Walaupun berlainan agama, kedua-dua budaya sangat menekankan penghormatan terhadap kepercayaan, amalan rohani dan nilai kesyukuran dalam hidup. Kesimpulannya, saya dapati bahawa walaupun budaya India di Malaysia dan budaya Filipina berbeza dari segi bahasa dan agama, kedua-duanya sangat kuat dalam nilai kekeluargaan, kepercayaan dan adat masing-masing. Dengan memahami budaya lain, kita bukan sahaja belajar sesuatu yang baru, tetapi juga menjadi lebih terbuka, empati dan hormat kepada semua. Terima kasih kerana menonton video saya. I'm Anusriya. Regarding for my assignment, I want to interview, want to ask about the difference about your country and my religions. I'm Indians. Okay, you are Philippines. Christians. Yes. Okay. Can you tell me something unique about the Philippines family life?
Most of the Filipinos are Christians. I am Christians.
Oh, Christians.
I came from the north.
Christians, you got a Catholic or
Catholic.
Catholic.
Yes,
Catholic
Catholic
Christians. What religious celebration are most important to you, sir?
For us is Christmas.
Christmas
and New Year. This is one of the biggest celebration
Okay.
in the Philippines.
Okay. The third question is, sir, how is your cultural difference from what you see in Malaysia? I mean, see in my culture, Indian culture and your culture. What is you seeing the difference?
The Filipino, mostly we are mixed.
Oh.
We are mixed. The culture of the Filipinos and Malaysian and Indonesian are mixed. Even we have similar words.
This is a different between religions. How about your language?
The language is, this I tell you that we are, in religion, if you are Hindi, of course, we are way different because most of us are Christians. But in the language, we have similar.
Similar way?
In some way, you refer to one thing, you just say it differently, but it's same for us also.
Okay.
Like, but tu for you is rock.
Okay. For
Bato,
example, sir.
Yes.
For example, I'm a Hindu. I say Vanakkam for wish. Vanakkam for wish. For Philippines, what's the word for the wish, for morning wish?
Morning wish, magandang umaga.
Oh, magandang
umaga.
Okay,
Yes.
I see. What do you appreciate most about your traditions?
Yes, so even though it's making you awake in yourself,
Okay.
since we are in Asia, we are fond of making extended family. We are helping brother, sister, mother. You are taking care because of the Western part. No, you try to keep in bay as a family. Family is family.
Oh, family.
Yes.
You mean the family is most important lah.
Correct. Yes.
My
like that.
culture, my religion also the family is more important.
More important.
We
Yes.
give the first to our parents lah.
Correct. You say same with the Filipino. We are like that also.
Are you like our Malaysian country? Because our Malaysian country have so many what religions? I mean Malay, Chinese, Hindu.
Yes, we have also because I have even my son now as a Indian classmate.
Oh.
We are multicultural, even in but we are not so diverse that you can see it clearly.
Okay, I want to ask you, sir, what do you like? What do you like in my Indian culture? You like any unique difference from your for your religions and my religions? Any difference?
Yes, because I sail also with the Indians before, because I was instructed by there. I sail the biryani like this, and some foods which I like, and also celebration. They show me you have big celebration with flowers and all. I think it's very fun like that.
How about your religion, sir? Same or different?
No, different.
Different.
For us, it's like we have this fiesta. Fiesta is like you think it's the same.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. welcome.
Thank you for your interview, sir.
Yes.
Thank you.